If you are like us, disliking all the creepy crawlies, spiders, and lizards, you will need to see this. This is a very simple and innovative whip hole cover solution. I've bought and tried many types of whip hole covers. They are either too big or they simply don't stay in place. This whip hole cover is just a stainless steel mesh, and by using the provided tool, this is how easy we can install it. Note that it comes with all the supplied tools except the pair of pliers is my own. We simply slightly bend the stainless steel mesh, sit the bent mesh on the hole, and use the supplied tool to push it into the whip hole. And that's it. Let's see it again. And if we accidentally push it in too far, we can use the other supplied key tool to pull the mesh out and install it again. It's such a nice and simple design, and yet it works so effectively. Well, do be careful as it is very sharp on the stainless steel mesh edges. I've installed this on all my whip holes now, and so far so good. I haven't seen any huntsman spiders in my house since. They used to visit us quite often previously. Oh, the other thing I like about this mesh is this. If the brick beside the whip hole is not straight or chipped, we can easily shape the stainless steel mesh by bending it with a pair of pliers. It's such an easy solution and so affordable. Get it using my Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. And if you like useful products, home solution and gadgets like this one, remember to subscribe and share this with your friends so this video can spread and more people can benefit from useful solutions like this. On my channel, I hunt for value for money, really useful things that we buy and use for ourselves. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video.